Welcome to World War II Chronicles, a weekly tribute to America's fighting men and women in commemoration of the Second World War. These programs are narrated by Ed Herlihy and are based on the news broadcasts of the war period from the recorded sound collection of the National Archives in Washington, D.C.
The secret name of the project before it was publicly announced was Operation Pluto, a pipeline under the English Channel. It was considered an engineering miracle, but there it was, a short 2 months after D-Day 1944, allowing the British to pump gasoline from the Isle of Wight to Cherbourg, France. The pumping stations were extremely well disguised.
You would never guess from the look of the place that 40,000 gallons of petrol an hour is pumped direct from here to receiving stations at Boulogne and then on to the Allied armies far inside Germany. It's just a collection of bungalows, brick-built ornamental affairs with names like Boodle's Den, Blue Haze, Harbour Lights and Ship Ahoy. All around is shingle, with the English Channel about 40 yards away in front of us. The country round is very flat and marshy and very deserted. It's open to the winds and the weather from every quarter. Now the villa just in front of where I'm standing looks like all the others, but I'm very close to it and I can see the little front door is made of steel with an imitation glass panel and letterbox painted on it. But Boodle's Den, which may have been the weekend home of a London family before the war, now houses a 75 horsepower diesel-driven engine, driving a pump which at this moment is delivering 60,000 gallons of petrol per day to the other side.
Huge floating drums laid the covert pipeline. The pumping stations on both ends in Britain and France carried millions of gallons of oil each day, allowing the Allied mechanized armies to speed across Europe. I'm Ed Herlihy. Join me next time for World War II Chronicles.
World War II Chronicles was produced by the American Veterans Center and Radio America in cooperation with the National Archives. To listen to more episodes, subscribe on iTunes or visit AmericanVeteransCenter.org. We need your help to keep the legacy of our World War II generation alive. Visit AmericanVeteransCenter.org to make a donation to support World War II Chronicles and the ongoing work of the American Veterans Center.